playing Zombie Attack. Me, Lucio, and Adam were about to play Lucio and Adam, they didn't want to be a part of the video yet, so I'm just alone. So if you guys didn't, see the last video, like TTD part 2, I don't know why there was no mic. Maybe there was actually no mic, but I don't remember that much. But guys, today I'm gonna be playing Zombie Attack, which I'm just gonna be playing this because I'm bored. I'm gonna make the title easier to search, just like what I told you guys. And please, when you're watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and smash that like button if you haven't already, cause I'm working hard. I don't have any edits on my videos because I don't really know how to work CapCut yet, but I'm still trying my best to record some videos. This is all I can do. So guys, today we're gonna be playing Zombie Attack. I already said that, but it's just an intro. Yeah, that reminds me of something, guys. I don't know why my intro takes so long, but the guys, don't think that I'm playing this out age, because age 9 plus. I'm already 9. You can be at 9 or older. So today we're playing Zombie Attack. I don't even know why it's 9 or older. Maybe because there's guns or something. And I joined the group, so I should have got a pet, I think. Inventory pet. I got a money bag. Gives you 4 seconds every 3 seconds while you're alive. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm not really that pro of this on this game, but I really like this game, kinda. I don't know. So I'm gonna. Where is my skins? Oh, there. Car. Wait. Okay. So today I'm just gonna be playing this game. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm running out of energy, guys. I'm really sorry. Oh God. Oh my God. So I'm using my Azure sword. If you guys don't know how I got effects on my weapons, just go ahead and click this crate here and go to crates, and you can buy one for 1 key. So I'm just gonna. This zombie is chasing me. I just wanna kill it. Okay. So if you guys don't know what the money bag does, which join the group to get it, pets. It gives you 4 like coins or money every 3 seconds when you're still alive, while you're still alive, or yeah, while you're still alive, because if you're in the lobby you don't get any coins. So if you guys didn't know, I got Guardian Clock Man. I'm still talking about TTD while I'm playing Zombie Attack. I don't know why, but while I'm killing these zombies, oh my God, I killed myself. Boss, no! Oh my, I didn't get to kill the boss. That's okay. But if you guys don't know, in TTD, me and Lucia, if you guys didn't see my post, I already said it, we beat clock mode. So I'm really happy for that. I literally freaked out, but we beat it again, but I didn't screenshot it because yeah, I didn't really freak out that time because it was pretty easy now. So, and also I bought like red laser from marketplace, and yeah, I was pretty happy with red laser. I don't know why, because it was my 60. I have like 8 or 8 mythics. I don't know how much I have, but if you guys don't know, I grind on TTD. I keep grinding on TTD lately, so that's why I have some pretty good units. That's why. And if you guys don't know why I keep uploading videos about TTV, it's because I love that game. So I'm gonna be talking. I'm gonna just be talking like random stuff while I'm playing Zombie Attack. I'm just gonna put Zombie Attack Part 1 like TTD Part 1 in the video title. I'm just gonna put it like Part 1 Zombie Attack, because I like TTD I put a Part 2, but it didn't even I don't even know why it didn't have any mic. I still have a bunch of energy, guys. Don't worry. But I don't really have to like max energy, talking energy. So I'm just gonna be recording, and I'm gonna. Oh my! I need to plug in my device, guys. Wait, AFK. Oh gosh. Wait. Oh. Oh. So now that it's charged, there it's charged, plugged in, charging mode. Okay. Okay, I'm getting a bunch of coins or money while I'm equip the money bag, and it's so hot in here again. Oh my god, zombie. So, oh my god, there's so much. The frick? Okay, so I'm oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, subscribe for a cookie, or if you don't subscribe, then I will steal all your keys. So my peace out sign is gonna be like Padumski out for now. Well, sometimes I'm gonna do peace out, but yeah, me gonna do Padumski out projects. It wait, where is my okay? My fan won't turn on. I don't know why, but I have a M1 Grand. Oh god, that's sick. I think this fits really perfectly with the Azure sword. Okay, I need to move these zombies. Oh, super speed. Oh, nice. It's not really gonna last that long. But there's a lot of zombies here. Oh, the grenade. Grenade! Why they exploded like that? Oh my god, I just wasted it. I'll shoot that frozen zombie right there, guys. Oh my! Okay. Phew. If you guys don't know, I play Zombie Attack, but I play TTD more because I love that game. And if you guys don't know, my grinding mode is now Nightmare. I don't know, but most of the time I think I'm gonna grind in hard mode because hard mode is my grinding. It's pretty good grinding for me. I think some of you guys might prefer a medium more, but I don't really struggle in medium, so that's why I don't. I wanna make it a little challenging, so that's why Nightmare mode and hard mode. That's why. So I'm gonna be killing zombies on top here. I'm just gonna be spying them, and then they can't even get up. I don't think they can even get up. But I can't shoot them, so I need to go down. Oh my god. Yeah, I'm sweating in here. It's so hot in here. But I can't even turn on my fan because the cable. I mean the wire is. I don't even know where the wire is. Where is the wire? Wait, let me track it. Oh my god. I'm about to lose if I do that. Okay. Stun grenade. Okay, where are they? Okay. In the last vid, I think yesterday I was gonna record like a video, like I forgot what game it was, but I was gonna record a video, like yesterday, but the video I accidentally stopped the recording, and yeah, it was really cut, so that's why I didn't upload it. I might show you guys the video that I didn't upload. So I'm gonna be naming it a video that I did not upload. So yeah, probably later. Probably yeah, later. Later I'll make that video. Or probably after I make this video, I'll make it. So if guys, if it's the next wave, then I'm gonna Padumski out because I don't really have that much time. Okay? Because I'm gonna be calling my friends and they're waiting for me. So if you guys want to see the video, oh my god. If you guys want to see the video where I didn't upload it, please just subscribe, guys. Just one subscriber, I will appreciate so much. So yeah, me just killing these zombies, and And next wave, Padoomski out, and I'm gonna upload the video. So I'm running out of energy. That's why. I mean, energy of talking. That's what I always. Oh my god. It's almost next wave, guys. Wave cleared. Okay, Padoomski out, guys. See you next time. See you in the next video, which I don't know if I'm gonna see you because that was like pre-made. So Padoomski out, guys. Peace.